L'englesou passez sans moi ou pas nous de là. L'englesou passez sans moi pas nous de là. L'emgade tapé l'eau coulée non j'ai moins. L'emgade et yo bagay la fait moins malo. Bon ouais écoute-moi. Bon ouais pour moi. Oh ouais nous de là. Bébé anya suyeme ibolele yo veve pouwe l'englesou God pay power inonde la.
What's going on, y'all? My name is Rob Cousin. I play Jungle Hustle on LENGLESOU Blood Pool. Husband of Celia. You know, I'm already lit. I already know. I'm the littest, you know what I'm saying?
Peace and blessings, sak passe. Yes, indeed. This is your girl, Mambo Hathor Urzuli Akhenaten, and I played Mambo Hathor Urzuli Akhenaten.
Hey, this is Peggy, also known as Siamese. I played Celia Fatima on the wonderful film LENGLESOU Blood Pool.
Yo, my name is Demetrius Cooper. I play character Ski 973 in this film called LENGLESOU Blood Pool. Really good film. You need to check this out.
Yo, this your boy Mac and Dow. I played Mac in the upcoming movie LENGLESOU Blood Pool. You gotta go check it out. It's awesome.
You know what I'm saying? But getting back to that, husband of Celia, ancestor of the Mambo, the Haitian Revolution. Like, I need to check this film out. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we actually giving a depiction of the hustle, of the struggle, living in the projects, son on chemo. We can't afford it, so we about to bust a lick. Shit don't go the way that we wanted to go. I'm pretty sure y'all all can relate to that. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing new. Like, we out here, we hungry, but we lost our way. You understand what I'm saying?
This amazing, powerful tale of the Loi LENGLESOU. Now, the name of the movie is LENGLESOU Blood Pool. And when I say a life-changing experience, I could be here on and on, but let's just say this was spiritually and soulfully an enriching, enlightening experience. So yes, I played a mambo. A mambo that had serious powers unimaginable, because I was able to summon LENGLESOU, the Loi LENGLESOU, which for most is looked at as a very feared, violent loi. So for me to have the how can we say, opportunity or the blessing to be able to play that was nothing short of special.
LENGLESOU Blood Pool, it was an exhilarating experience. Well, at least from my perspective, exhilaration on a vibrational level. She was the descendant, blood descendant, direct blood descendant of Celia Fatima, no, Cecile Fatima. This is all new to me, but it's so fascinating that it's not going to be old to me because it's something to learn about. But anyway, it was a very exhilarating thing to do because just embodying such a piece of history is an honor that should go to like a seasoned actor, A-lister, or whatever they call that. So I don't know. I'm like at a loss for words to know that her moms was the first Mambo that literally like the Gandalf of the female Mambo of the Declaration of Independence, killing it, like directing everything around Dessalines. Like, yo, I feel honored. Like, I don't even know what else to say besides honneur respect for the role, royalty feeling for the role, thank you for the role, and go see it and expect to see more of us as long as we believe in each other.
I play your local doughboy. Whatever you want, whatever you need. If I ain't got it, I could get it. Type dude. Look, it's just an awesome movie, man. You gotta check it out. I'm overwhelmed with it. You see me, I'm just blushing as I never blushed before.
Definitely something different. A lot of good energy, spiritual stuff. A lot of stuff you need to know about. Let's get with this, all right?
My favorite part doing this project was the summoning of LENGLESOU. Like from the church scene, from the house scene, even when he appeared, like it was like it was refreshing. You know what I'm saying? To let you know that, you know what I'm saying, that loyalty is more stronger than love. You understand what I'm saying? Because like when someone loves you, when you love someone, they find and look for a reason to give up on you. When somebody is loyal to you, no matter who you are, no matter what choices that you make, they will always be there. Always be beside you, and that's what he showed, that he was always there.
So my favorite part of the movie was the summoning part. The summoning part was special to me because it was really in element to a lot of what I do, but the fact that LENGLESOU is a loi, the way it came to me or has communicated with me through the experience of shooting the film was very, very special. To see LENGLESOU come to life as a character, both in his very raw and aggressive side, and then in his smooth, debonair side at the same time. That was my favorite part, seeing the transition happening in front of me, and using all of the elements in order to summon him or to, bring him in. So that was like a dope, real dope part.
And my favorite part of all is when I got to really go hands-on with my role. Like, I'm a method actor, I do a lot of things with my face, my hands too. But when you have to get a little dirty and remain dirty, and it's like that was the essence of the vibe. Like, if you wasn't dirty, you wasn't doing your thing. And it was just awesome. I'm never gonna get too deep, I know you want me to. But you're gonna have to watch it.
The best part of shooting this film was be able to shoot this on location where I work at, and the amount of hours that we had was like, what, 2 to 3 hours to shoot this. We got it done. We got it done. Everything was beautiful, got in and out, and when y'all see it from the beginning and from the end, y'all see what it's done at, y'all never gonna believe what it's done at. Trust me, it was good.
My favorite part was just being in the movie, and the whole energy was different. Like, this probably was the second time on the spiritual side of things that I felt like that. So I really felt like I was like meant to be in that movie. That's what made it so special for me.
What I'm hoping that this project will bring to the masses is a sense of understanding, to give those who are lost a sense of identity. With further projects, like your support can bring further projects, will bring further enlightenment, will bring further knowledge to those who don't have it, who are seeking and lost to actually be accepted. Like, there's a lot of us who feel different. Like, we know we don't belong. Like, you know what I'm saying? But it's a place that we do belong. We just we in the process of finding that place within ourselves, outside of ourselves. Like, we need projects like this.
The power that we fail to realize that we have as a people is the power of unity, but also the power is in the richness of the history that we have as a people. When you take those two worlds and combine them together, you have what you call invincibility. I think that right now in 2021, where we are and where we're heading is a clear indication that if we head in the direction of film, black films, spiritual films, then we are leaving behind an imprint, okay, for the generations to come. I, for one, who's about to be bringing in a seed in the world, am very proud to say that I'm part of a movement that is facilitating the growth, the improvement, the progression, the be the change you want to see in the world type of vibe. And I have to give a very, very huge salute to Ogunaki Akhenaten, because without his genius and also this loi, LENGLESOU, coming to us to give us the green light for this, none of this could be possible. So what I'm saying is, people, it's time to wake up. Don't say you're not seeing enough of this or that, and then when it's in your face, you don't support it. Or when it's in your face, you don't share it. Or when it's in your face, you're not doing what you're supposed to do in your part, however that may be, to contribute to the power of such a movement. When you see greatness, people, it is your time and it is your duty to stand behind it. That is how we progress, and that is how we're going to show them better than we can tell them.
What I see in the future, big things. I see brightness. I see this movement going further and not becoming just a trend, but like a futuristic lifestyle that we should have been caught on to find out who we were, to know who we are. I'm not going to get preachy, but this is like an ethical responsibility for all of us. Like, we always hating on each other. We always like not collaborating and putting all of our assets together, whether it be monetary or creative wise, and it's annoying. So it's a blessing. I'm not going to go off on a tangent. So it's a blessing to like just be a part of something serious, to bring to light what a lot of people are scared to because of big, you know who. So like I said, and I can't say it again, that I see in the future that this is more and more. Like, there's so much more to be said. There's so much more to be expressed on the big screen, because the big screen is like a living prophecy, if you want to make it like that, if you're allowed to, or if you're breaking barriers. Whichever way, it needs to be out there. And if we collaborate, it won't be too hard.
My final thoughts on it is, I believe this is going to be like the beginning of a whole nother era, because the world is waking up to truth now. And first, let me give a shout out to the God King, Heru, and the good homie Mike, even though he ain't let us smoke on the set. That was crazy. But yeah, back to what I was saying. This right here is like the beginning of what they call a crossover, but we crossing over to the real reality of what's going on in the world, the spiritual warfare. And this movie right here is the beginning. LENGLESOU Blood Pool is going to be the future of television, network, movies, film, etc.
Yo, one of the most things I want people to grab from this movie is that the storyline, you got to do research behind it, right? You take the title, you take the name, and you do research behind it. You know, all you gotta do YouTube research and all that. Look at research behind it. Now, what we did, these people, we did a movie, film behind this. You know what I'm saying? Storyline. And then we're gonna do something else behind this. So watch out for this next, all right?
this is a small step to what we consider one of the greatest moves of our next generation, to be in control of our own narrative, to be in control of our own destiny, of our image, is what we need to start doing. I know this is it's the beginning, but this is so necessary that we tell our story, and we're in control of our story, because for far too long we've been always perpetrated on the perspective of outsiders. But it's all about what are you going to do about it, and I take the initiative to do something about that. So the rest of the fight, it's all about us. What are we going to do if we're going to be able to back the project, support the project, and push the project? So far everything looking good. So it's just the beginning. So as far as other people having a hard time, this L'ENGLESOU Blood Pool will be available for all other platforms by next week, Saturday. But for right now, it's exclusive to Shank-On Studio. So you log into Shank-On Studio, and you subscribe and you sign up, then you'll be available to see it. So I definitely would like to hear your comment about it, your point of view, what you'd like to be, the improvement. There's always room for improvement and room for criticism, so I would like to hear some of that from you guys as far as that. Compliment, criticism, you name it don't matter. And also, anybody involved in the film industry, this is another part of crying out to let you know I'm open. This is like, this is a family, this is a movement, this is not a singularity of a one-man show. So anybody willing to collaborate, willing to bring resources together, willing to bring talent together, all of this, I'm open for it, because this is what we need to do to create our own conglomerate, to create our own network of producing our future next generation stories.